Welcome to this quick guide on how to download, install, and use PyLlamaUI on Windows. PyLlamaUI is a lightweight, privacy-focused desktop interface that lets you run large language models offline on your own device. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for PyLlamaUI, and click on the official website that displays the tagline, "Run LLMs offline, your way." This is the project's official landing page, and the download link is also available in the video description. From the homepage, you can see the key highlights of PyLlamaUI. It is offline first and privacy-friendly, it runs on multiple platforms including Windows, and it uses a simple and modern Python-based backend with support for local AI models through Llama. Now scroll to the download section and select the option for Windows, then click the Windows.exe installer button to start the download. The file will be saved to your system. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the PyLlamaUI installer file. If Windows shows a Smart Screen warning, select More Info and then choose Run Anyway. The app will launch and install without needing any command line steps. After installation, open PyLlamaUI from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. The interface is clean and easy to use, designed for offline AI interaction. To begin, make sure Llama is installed and running on your system with at least one model downloaded. Select your model inside PyLlamaUI, type your message in the chat box, and start using your local AI assistant fully offline. And that's the complete process for downloading, installing, and using PyLlamaUI on Windows. The official link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.